In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Skype background, making your video calls more personalized. And let's face it, a lot more interesting. Whether you're looking to keep your surroundings private or just want to spice up your calls with something fun, this guide will have you covered in about 5 minutes. First things first, let's open up Skype. To do this, head over to the Skype website. Once there, you'll see an option that says Open Skype in Browser. Go ahead and click that. If the platform asks you to sign in, use your account details to proceed. This step is pretty straightforward and gets you right into the hub of Skype's web service. Now that you're in, you might be wondering where to head next. Look for 3 dots, often referred to as the More or Options menu. You'll find this on the Skype interface. Clicking here reveals a variety of options, but the one we're interested in is nestled a bit further inside, which brings us to the next step, navigating to the Settings. After you've clicked on the 3 dots, locate and select Settings from the drop down that appears. This area is where you can customize your Skype experience to fit your preferences and needs. Once inside Settings, we're going to focus on tweaking your call settings, specifically how you appear in video calls. So the next step is to click on Audio and Video. This is where Skype allows you to manage your microphone, speakers, and, crucially for us, your camera settings. Now the fun part, adding your new background. Look for the option that says Add Image within the Audio and Video settings. Here you can browse your computer for any image you'd like to use as your background. Pick something that reflects your personality, or maybe just opt for a serene landscape to keep the focus on you during calls. The choice is entirely yours, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Skype background. Remember, the background you choose can significantly affect the mood and professionalism of your calls. Make sure it's appropriate for your audience, but don't be afraid to have a little fun with it, especially if it's for informal calls with friends or family. Feel free to experiment with different backgrounds based on your meetings or mood for the day. Changing your Skype background is a simple yet effective way to make video calls more engaging and personalized. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope it enhances your Skype calls, making them more professional, privacy conscious, or simply more enjoyable. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy Skyping!